can a trust be named as a beneficiary of an irrevocable trust? Let me back up a little bit. When we're talking about trusts, just keep in mind that means we're getting a bit complicated. Whether or not an irrevocable trust can have as a beneficiary of some of its assets another trust depends on what that other trust says, or who the trustee of it is, what the assets are. But just as a general rule, yes, the answer is yes. A trust can be a beneficiary of another trust. Now, let's get a little bit clearer. I said a trust can be a beneficiary. Technically, it is the trustee of the trust who is a beneficiary. This always confuses people because in plain lingo we say, hey, the trust is a beneficiary, but what we really mean is the person who is in charge of managing that trust, the trustee, is the beneficiary of whatever assets are going into that trust for whomever the beneficiary is. I am not intending to make this complicated or to confuse you, but what I really want to make sure that I convey to you is whenever you hear the term trust or trustee, make sure that you get good legal advice, because the problem we always see with trusts is that people simply don't understand them. They don't seek out legal advice. They think that once they've got a trust set up, it's one and done. They don't need any more help. Now, if you're dealing with an irrevocable trust, you're more likely to get legal help because it's irrevocable, whereas if you're dealing with a revocable living trust, that doesn't feel like a separate entity from yourself. But getting back to the question, can a trust be named as a beneficiary of an irrevocable trust? Likely the answer is yes. See your estate planning and elder law attorney.